cases. So I've been looking for that for a while.
So you see me pulling this car off the shelf now. I'm kind of thinking about getting it, and then I put it back. But now I'm home, and now I'm realizing I probably should have got it. So I will be hunting for that soon. Here you can see us opening a case in Target, and we got the Treasure Hunt, the Rise and Climb. I don't have this one this year yet, so that was a great find. The Gas Monkey Garage Corvette was taken. So there is an employee here, and he already had the box opened in the back, and the top was picked through somehow, but the bottom was fresh. And here you see me pulling out the new Mercedes for this year. I know everyone's been going crazy over this, and I was able to find 2 of them here, so I picked them both up because one of them I'm going to be unboxing, and the other one I'm probably going to be trading to a friend, or maybe selling. I don't know, maybe I'll sell it to you guys on Whatnot or something if I get that set up. And we just went through the rest of that box. There wasn't really anything left, and then we went over to the dump bin, and the dump bin looked like it was freshly stocked, and I was considering buying that 32 Ford. We didn't get it, but that's fine because I'm gonna hopefully find the M2 32 Ford soon. But we looked through this entire stack. It looked like an employee just took the stacks of cars out of the box and laid it down. And this is normally when you see something like this, how it's not messed up. This is really when you find something. But we didn't find anything except a couple good main lines to buy. And I've had a lot of people in my comment section calling me a scalper. And as you can see here, there's an entire dump bin full of great main lines that resell well. And I'm not picking up a single one of them except a couple to the side that we got out of the box. Everything else you see here, all the Paganis, the Copo Camaro, it was all left there.
Majorette
And
chase.
here you could see me pulling a majorette chase off of the pegs. So that GTR right there, R35, is a chase. So if you see that one, pick it up. And I personally, that was my second GTR chase by Majorette, and I was very happy to get that. I was checking the M2s for any chase pieces, and I did not see anything. But there was a bunch more M2s off to the side that we are going to check in a second. But I didn't see any stickers, I didn't see any gold, so nothing too exciting. I did see a couple of these M2s that I did like, but nothing that I purchased. I noticed a small rack of Team Transports hanging there, barely noticeable. And then we moved on to the M2s inside the little tiny boxes without the plastic packaging. And here they had some really, really nice cars, and I'm realizing that there is a car sitting there right in front of me that I want, that I didn't pick up. That is a nice Bronco, and then the thing back there is not a chase. Look at Johnny Lightning in a second. So there's no chase. We got the bigger M2s. That'd be really cool to find a chase of these. Nope. Nothing there. We got that. Model kits, Johnny Lightnings, maybe find a white Lightning. Nothing. Nope. Here's some. I mean, it looks like it could be something because it's has those purple wheels, but I'd have to look it up. Nope. Yeah, not if there's 2 of them there. Majorette. We got the Majorette chase. I'm not going to be able to tell if there's another chase here.
because I don't really know how to... Oh, wow. Look at that. That Lamborghini. That has a lot of opening parts to it. There's another majorette car back there, nothing. Oh, green lights. I didn't even see that they had green lights here. Oh, this is a good Walmart. Imagine we found a green light chase over there. I'm thinking they might... Oh, that'd been nice if that was something, but it's not. I'm thinking they might have green light, bigger models like these. I just can't find them. This car right here, this car came in a greenie chase, although it was a bigger scale. I don't know if it's 1 in 18 or 1 in 24, something like that. I know the Florida man recently found it, but I was thinking that might have been here. But it's crazy that we got this, the majorette chase. If you know what you're looking for, you could get some good stuff. So be on the lookout for that one. The GTR with the gold wheels. And this is nice. I just don't think I'm going to pick it up. It's expensive. And this set's really nice. I don't even know what's supposed to be in this set. Looks like nothing here. Alright, so here is a nice Dodge. I don't think we're going to pick it up. And then that Plymouth is really nice. That's nice too. That Plymouth is really good. And we got the Chase. Here you could see some of the cars that we picked up at the end of the hunt. Here is the majorette Chase. Here is the G-Case treasure hunt and the nice Mercedes we picked up. We have the big time muscle Mustang and some of the drag strip demons, and then the rest of the main lines that we picked up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here are some videos you could click on. You subscribe to my channel. That'll help me out a lot. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.